A very pleasant morning to all of you. This is Ansar Singh of class 8th standard from the MCA platform. I am here to tell you about the algebraic identities, which is part 2. If you have not seen my first part, so you can go to the MCA channel and you can see my first part, then came to the second part. So let's start. In this part, in the previous part, I have told you the formulas, and in the second part I will verify the formulas that these are correct or not. So first formula is a plus b whole square. So in this first part I have told you the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's verify that if we verify it, the formula will came or not. So a plus b whole square means a plus b have written two times. A plus b in first bracket a plus b, and in the second bracket a plus b. We have written it two times. Now when we multiply a plus a, we get a square. Now we will multiply a and b. So we will get the AB. When we multiply BA, we get AB or BA. When we multiply B into B, we will get the B square. We have to remember the signs also. Here everything is in the plus sign, means plus a plus b plus a plus b. So when we multiply all them, we will get only the plus sign. So here is AB, here is also AB. When we know that when the variables are same, we will add them. So here is 1AB, here is also 1AB. When we add them, we get the 2AB. So a square, we put the a square, AB plus AB, 2AB, and we put the b square here. So it came, means our formula is correct. Next formula is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's verify it. In the same process, we will write it two times. A minus b, a minus b. When we multiply them, we will also remember the signs. So plus a into plus a, plus a into plus a, we will get the a square, means plus a square. So here we have written plus a square. When we multiply plus a to the minus b, plus a into minus b, we will get minus ab. So here we have written, here once again when we multiply minus b into plus a, we will get the minus ab or minus ba. Here is when we multiply minus b into minus b, when the minus sign will multiply to the minus sign, we will get to the plus sign. So here is plus b square. So when we add them, minus into minus, when we add them, we will put the minus sign, and here is 1ab and here is also 1ab. So when we know that the same signs are same, but when the signs are same, we will put the same sign and we add them. So here is 1ab, here is also 1ab. So when we add them, we will get the 2ab. B square we have put and a square we also put. So it is proved that our formula is correct. Next formula is this one, which is a square plus b square. The formula of a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b can be written as, we have just to know the formula of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will simply write them, the formula of a plus b whole square, and we will put the minus 2ab. Then here is minus plus 2ab and minus 2ab. The digits are same, but the signs are different. We will we will get the difference of the digits. For example, if we minus 2 minus 2, we will get 0. So we simply cut them. Here we have cut them. We will get a plus b, a square plus b square. So it is proved that our LHS have came. Next formula is which is a square minus b square. In the first part, I have already told you that this is the many simplest formula in the algebraic identities. For example, the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. When we multiply them, means when we multiply a into a, we get a square. Here is plus sign, here is also plus sign. When we multiply plus into plus, we will get plus, and when we multiply plus into minus, we get the minus sign, and when we multiply a into b, the result is ab. Here is also the same thing. When we multiply plus b into plus a, we will get plus ab or plus ba. Here is b plus b into minus b. We will get, when we already know, when we multiply plus into minus, we get minus sign. So here we have written minus, and b into b, b square. So in the previous, I have told you, when the signs are different but the digits are same, we can simply cut them. So here is minus, here is plus. We have simply cut them. So our result is a square minus b square. Our LHS came and the formula is proved. Next formula is, next and the last is a plus b plus c whole square. So the formula of a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So let's check that is this the correct formula or not. So we have simply written them 2 times. We will multiply them. So we get, when we multiply a into a square, a into b, ab, a into c, ac, b into a. We can write ba or ab. B into b, b square, b into c, bc or cb, c into a, ca or ac, c into b, cb or bc, and c into c, which is c square. So let's add the same variable. We will simply put the a square firstly, then here is the ab. So let's find that does we have the another same variable like this ab. So here we have the same variable, which is ab or ba. So here is 1ab, here is 1ab. Signs are also same. So let's add them, which is 2ab. Here is ac and here is also ac. AC can be written as ca also. So here is also one AC and here is also one CA. The signs are also same. So we simply add them, which is 2CA. Now next is B square. So we have simply written B square here. And next is, here is 1BC and here is also BC. So we will also add them and we get the 2BC. And here is the C square. So our formula have came, means it is the correct formula. So we have proved the all formula. So thank you everybody for watching my video.